So your Nordic rune for October is Hagalaz. And this represents chaos, destruction, rebuild, renew. And the thing is, when we're building new, we have to let go of everything we knew, everything that was comfortable, everything that made sense. And now building new, especially in careers, even relationships, you're going in like the first time you started a business, the first time you started something. And so no matter what age you are, it's like you're a junior again. And that can be quite unsettling. And so the energy of the Hagalaz is destruction and chaos. But in that comes the renewal, the rebuild, the something beautiful to leave your legacy to. And so that's the focus for October. So please, if you like this video, consider liking and subscribing, and see you in the next video.